Hello everyone, today I'm going to have a very useful video for absolutely everyone. I'll show you some clever settings that few people know about and you'll be absolutely shocked. I'll show you how to watch your favorite YouTube channel completely without the internet connection. I mean, you can watch without mobile data or WAGT or Wi-Fi. So even when you can't connect to, you can still watch your favorite videos. Rose. This is a great thing for those who go on business trips or perhaps to the countryside where there's no service, or for those situations where there's absolutely no internet but you need to view some important information and it just so happens to be on YouTube. Maybe you were watching a really useful video and when you need to apply some information, you go back to YouTube and watch it. And what coding. But what if you don't have any internet access right there now? Here I'll show you some clever settings that really surprise you and more. You'll be able to watch your favorite TV series and movies offline. Perhaps someone collects clip collections or just some important information that needs to be with them at all times. Sure, but to apply it in any situation, now I'll tell you everything and show you. Be sure to support the video with a like, subscribe to the channel, and share with friends and so watch. We won't be using any apps or programs at all. I'll show you some settings right away in order. Self-call. They will also immediately respond to the comments that will be heard. So first, I click on the YouTube app. Go to about the app version 20.06.36. App permission. Here we go to geolocation. Disabled. Go back to general settings. Here we go. Standard settings. Look at the bottom for geolocation. Find the setting. The network operator can determine your location using based on scope nodes. Deny. Next, watch so you don't get confused. I go to settings. Here, scroll down and find add advanced settings. My region is set to this. Let's go back. Now look, go to YouTube itself. Next, go to account settings, general section. My location is set to this. Close all of this. Go to the purchases line and paid subscriptions. And here, YouTube Premium appears. That is, it supposedly offers a free subscription for 2 months and so on. Why did I come here? This is an immediate response to comments that might come to this video. Specifically, in this section which I went to, it shows whether I have a paid subscription or not. At the moment, I don't have one. On the contrary, it simply suggests it. That is a completely ordinary account. Now, look what we're doing. I'll use movies as an example, but you can, in principle, use absolutely any content you want. So I go to YouTube, enter movies or TV series. There, it doesn't matter. The search finds a certain number of things that are available to watch now. Well, let's do this one after another. For example, we press. By the way, you see there's an ad. This means I don't have a YouTube Premium subscription. We pause. And here, look, there is an interactive line below. It scrolls with your finger. You need to find the button called usually it's a down arrow. We press it and the download starts. You see, it's already saved. Well, let's try something else and then there'll be an example that I'll show you what we'll do next and how to use it all. What other settings are there and how you can fully utilize it in any situation. Well, we wait while the download is in progress. I basically download everything in a row. As for what happens if you want to download some long series, well, you know, for example, one film has 20-30 episodes and here instead of 3 hours, it might say 20 half years, 30 half 40 hours. All of this is safe too, you just have to wait longer for the download itself. Also, keep in mind that you absolutely need to have free internal memory to download all of this. If a movie is about 3 hours long, like this one, well, it will take up about 450-500 megabytes. What a bee. That's if you download in good quality. If you just need information to watch or listen to something and want it to take up little memory, you can also set all of this in the settings. I'll show you further. Look, this is also downloaded. Okay, now let's do that. Look what we do next. So I turn off my Wi-Fi and my mobile data doesn't work. That means mobile data doesn't work either. And now I even turn on airplane mode, that is the airplane, to make sure it lights up. That means there's absolutely no connection. That means we're now simulating the fact that we have no connection and no internet. Now look, let's go to our YouTube. Here's the main page. Let's refresh. You see, it says no connection, inisen. Well, understandably, because there's no Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now let's take a look. Now, when I relogged in, it says no connection again. But now we can see all those movies, all those TV series we downloaded. For example, I used to download others to me, and I always have them with me even if I don't have any internet. Well, it's all very simple here. I just click and it plays wherever I go. And look, there's absolutely no internet connection. Here's the second movie or TV series too. Yeah, absolutely no lag. Everything plays fine. That is absolutely any movie or TV series anywhere without the internet. This is a really cool feature that few people use, but it's really useful. And you can even create music compilations of your favorite videos. You can download TV series and watch them in your free time. In general, everyone will find their own way to use this. For example, if you want to free up memory, you no longer need something you've downloaded. You here click the three dots and simply delete it. Now look, I'll show you the following settings. If, for example, you do have internet access, look, I click Wi-Fi and remove the airplane icon. Look, Wi-Fi has appeared, and here it already says there's a connection. Restart again, and you'll be taken to the main page. Where can I find all these videos now? Log in to your account. And here below, when you scroll, there's a download button. It will appear after the first download. Now look, click here, and we see everything we've downloaded. Now look at the other options. Go to settings, scroll here and find downloaded. Here you can set the quality you want to download automatically. If you have the top dot set, when you click that download, you'll have a choice of what's allowed and what quality to choose. Next, look, there's a button to download only over Wi-Fi. There are also recommendations, meaning if you've already downloaded something, it'll immediately